How to edit header on your Wix website. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. I'm happy to see you here, and today I'm going to show you how to easily edit your header or the footer of your website right into the Wix.com. So it may sound difficult, but in fact it's really easy to do, and in seconds I'm going to show you how to do it just from the scratch. So the first step you need to do is to sign up on Wix.com. As you can see, I have already made an account and a couple of websites for you to create an examples. So guys, when you're good with account, you see this dashboard with the websites. You just need to click on create new site button and everything should be working. So here Wix.com is going to offer us their AI chat, their help of AI, so we just don't need it right now. Click on setup without the chat. And next thing you should do is you need to choose the type of website you want to create. So it could be an online store, portfolio, blog, consultant, technology company, a restaurant, or even event. So you can type here in the search bar anything you want. So for example, a digital portfolio, you can see there is dog daycare, donation center, dance video channel. Any type of the website should be here. So for example, I would create a website for the daily blog. Okay, then click on button continue, and it's going to prepare the dashboard for us. So the dashboard is where you will okay, so the next step you should do is you need to create a name for your website. So we are creating a blog, so for an example I just stay with the name of the blog and then click continue. It's going to ask you what are the goals for this site. So if you put ticks here, it will in the future help to offer you the templates that are the best matches you. So I would not put any ticks right here because I don't really it's not really necessary right now. So I just skip this, and I'll skip this recommended apps. So here it will give you an opportunity to add a couple of apps. So in the future you'll see an app market. I'll show you. Okay, so everything is ready, we are all set. Just click continue to dashboard and we are good to go editing our website. Okay, so as I told you, here are the app market. There are a lot of apps that you can add, and it will help you to manage your website even cooler. So back to the home page of our dashboard and to the setup. So if you want your website to work correctly and everything will be working good, you need to go through all these steps. But we right now just click on design your website. So it's going to ask you how would you like to design your website. You can customize a already made template or generate a design with AI technology, but we're not going to use the AI. We just click on pick a template and we will see a browser of the template. So as you know, Wix is offering us a lot of beautiful templates that are ready to use. You just here pick by your heart what template do you like the most, what template suits you more. So for example, I will choose this one. No, sorry, this one. I really like this travel block. Okay, so when we are ready with our template, it's going to load our editors page. We just need to wait a couple of seconds for it to prepare. Okay, so everything is ready, as you can see. Just need to wait a couple of seconds more. Okay, so and I'll show you how to edit the footer. Okay, so you can see here that page is divided into the section, and the first section is the header and the last one is the footer, as you can see. So every section could be edited and the header could be too. So you see here a quick edit, or if you want to edit it more, just double click on this section on the footer, the header, and you see that we are already editing the header. So here is the emblem of the logo of our website, of our blogs. Here is the text, so you can change it, you can change every font, its style, its size, whatever you want. For example, it says welcome to our blog. I would change it to welcome to my channel. Okay, so as you can see, everything is really easy. You just if you don't like something, for example, you can just edit this and delete everything, and you see no text here. And if you want to add something more to your header, just go to this section, add elements, and here you can add almost anything you ever thought of. So here you can see the image, element, text, button, strip, decorative, box, gallery, menu and anchor, contact and forms, video and music, interactive, list, embedded code, social, payments, CMS, blog, store, bookings, events, restaurants, community, and my design. So for example, I'll go with the social, and I would add the YouTube button. Okay, so it have added all the sections with the social, so we can zoom out and see how it's looking. So I don't really like how it's look right now, so we just need to match it with the menu right here, with the horizontal menu. So I don't really need so you can set an animation for it. It can float or fade or go from blur or shrink or expand. So there are a lot of things you can add right here. So I will not give them an animation. I just here, if you click on quick edit, you can see that there is a background that is similar to background on your main page. You can see that there is a search bar. You can edit it, go to settings, and for example, change the text in the search bar itself. So for example, I would type here subscribe. Okay, so as you can see, I have made a mistake in the word subscribe, sorry. Okay, so as you can see, here it is. We have our search bar edited, everything is in lifetime, so I would put it into the middle right here. Okay, so now it looks good. Okay, so I hope you have learned how to edit the header that is connected to the footer too. So if you want to edit it, just double click and edit everything right here. So for example, we have added the search bar right here, so we don't really need it right here. We just can delete it. Okay, so you don't need to pin it. So it contains of two things. We can quick edit right here and see how it's looking right now. Okay, so it have not been cleaned. Okay, so we just change design, for example, for this red, and I'll put it right here. Okay, so now we unpin this element, and you see that everything is working correctly. Okay, guys, so I hope you understood how to edit all these elements. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.